Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Slides and creating a new presentation. This gets you into the editor immediately. Name your file so autosave organizes it, then pick a theme and 16:9 or 4:3 ratio to match your output. Once done, add a title slide with a clear headline and concise subtitle. Put key reminders in speaker notes so you can rehearse. Make sure to enable offline or check drive sync. This prevents lost edits and keeps collaboration smooth from the start. You now build the body of your deck by choosing appropriate slide layouts for each idea. Section headers break flow and two-column layouts balance text and visuals. Insert images, charts, and shapes to convey data. Resize with handles and use Ctrl+D to duplicate pacing. Once content exists, edit the master slide to standardize fonts, colors, and logos so the look stays consistent. If collaboration is active, leave comments and assign action items. This keeps contributors aligned. You finish by proofreading slides, polishing transitions, and rehearsing with presenter view so timing and notes align. When ready, set sharing permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, so recipients get the right access. Send the link or export as PDF/PPTX for distribution. If something goes wrong, first check internet and drive sync. If slides act strangely, clear browser cache or duplicate the file to isolate corrupted elements. If images fail to load, reinsert them and confirm they're stored in Drive or uploaded properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.